Live from snow-covered Philadelphia as we get set for CAA women's basketball between the Monmouth Hawks and the Drexel Dragons.
Keep on rocking. Is that all right? Everybody hands in the air. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Party got wild tonight.
Remains scoreless. Trying to pick and roll. Eggs in her. It's going to be a good look from Mercille, and she hits it. 3 to shoot. Tough fadeaway. Got it over Hodges. And here's Cranville on a great high-low. Vanderhoof back into the game. Pull up at the free throw line, wide open. Here comes the Dragons, and O'Neal gives it away. Eggs in her up ahead the Hall, and that may do it. Monmouth will improve to 10-6 overall, 3-2 in conference play.
We were a tough, connected, competitive team tonight. And tough on the board. It was really tough to coach tonight. It was really fun to watch tonight. I hope you had fun playing with one another. A lot of great energy. It's a tough place to play. It's the defending regular season champs. Like that. Awesome job.
Also one.